that?
By or night.
Okay, people with goals succeed because they know where they are going. For example, if you are driving a car, right? You know where you are going? Know that? Or you don't know? After finishing at the school, you are going to home. That is the destination. That is the goal, right? To reach the home. If you don't know that, means where you are going. That is also like that applicable to our life. Okay. So let us see that the science says 92% of the people don't achieve their goals. Why? Because they never learned how to effectively set their goals, right? So goal setting is a skill which makes us for developing grit, determination to achieve our goal. What it is developing? Goal setting is developing grit and determination to achieve our goal. So here the goal setting teaches you to take your responsibilities for your own behavior and learning. What it is? Goal setting teaches you. What it is teaching you? To take the responsibilities, right? Responsibilities, what you will have to do that, and your behavior also, that means, and learning also, right? And then next one, third point, it promotes a can-do attitude. I can do attitude. You are going to develop that. And then next, fourth point, it forms a powerful lifelong habit. It makes a habit. Once you are setting a goal, for example, big goal, that you are every time you are making your own habit, that means afterwards, after finishing one goal, next another goal, means you are making a success habit. You are going to addict to the success. Addict to fail or addict to success? Which one you want? Addicted to success. So one by one, after finishing one goal, next another goal we are going to do. Okay. And the next one, here I suggest to you that choose your big goal. What it is, first goal should be choose a big goal. Then discuss the purpose of the goal. The goal, if you are keeping that one, then you have to discuss with the friends, teachers, parents. What is the purpose of that goal? What you are going to do? What is the meaning of that goal? To whom you are going to service? That is the first point. Second point is break that big goal into small steps. How can you achieve? For example, somebody are saying that a civil service is too like that. So first of all, 10th you have to finish. That is right now in front of your goal. You could get a higher percentage, and then 11th and 12th, then graduation, then civil services preparation, and then write the examination. Then see what is that? Prelim examination, main examination, then interview, then selection process. These are the steps are there. Okay, you have to break the big goal into small process. Next, look at what obstacles there. So for example, what are the obstacles? Like bad habits. We are setting the goal, but what 1 or 2 days we will follow. For example, New Year resolutions, we are making that 1 or 2 days or 3 days we are following, again coming to the old habits. Means we are leaving that goals in the middle only. So we should not do like that way. Stick that goals to continue. That means make a habit to achieve that. Okay. So whenever you are setting the goal, that is the goal which you are, means goal setting and following that goals continuously. By that only, by setting the goal only, 50% of you have achieved. Okay, your mindset has been done. That's why that 50% goal setting, that means you have decided, that means I have to achieve. By that 50% of your goal has been achieved. 50% you are trying, hard working, right, to achieve that goal, and breaking the goal step by step to process. What obstacles will come? If money problem is there, discuss with the parents how to achieve, how to get the money also. If any other problems are there, if you don't have knowledge, and getting the advice from experts in that field. So these are the goal setting mentors, teachers to advise you everything that So this is the goal, step by step you have to reach that big goal. Understand? That is the ladder, first ladder. That ladder, that first ladder, and directly we are jumping or what? No. What? First step, then going second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, then end of the goal, end of the step, right? Achieving on the top. So you must have to remember that. Today we are going to discuss about that. Means the students, already few students told the day before yesterday. Today, what's your name? Mayuresh. He is going to share his views about his goal and the purpose of the goal also. Come on, give the big hand.
So hello everyone. My name is Mayuresh Dinde, and I am going to share my views about my goals and my career. My career is divided into two types, short-term goals and long-term goals. My short-term goal is to score highest and good marks in the 10th SSC board examination. And my long-term goal is to I want to pursue a degree in BSc Agriculture because I love biology a lot, and I want to do a lot of research in agriculture, and as we know in our India, agriculture is the first occupation, and people are doing agriculture. So as we know in our India, there is scarcity of water in some of the areas and villages, and the farmers are suiciding. So I want to solve that problems of the farmers, and I want to serve to my country. So that's it. Thank you.
Myself Sneha Ankalkote. Today I am going to say you about 3 goals in my life. First is in the form of student. In the student life, my short-term goal is about achieving high marks in exam. Not to only achieve the high marks, but to understand every logic, every meaning behind that, and what is the purpose in my further life. And my second goal is in the form of achieving my career. And I want to be a cardiologist and help others because I love studies and I want to help others. And my third goal is to be always honest, is to be always good in my work and to always do my best. As Albert Einstein said, the great work to do great things is to love what you do. So these were my few goals. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Lavanya Aswale from grade 10. Today I am going to speak some few words on my goals. The main goal of every person in today's world is to become a successful. Every person wants to taste success as early as we can. My main aim of my life to become a doctor, to serve our nation, because doctor help people while they are doing studies and after their studies. Today, doctors are the warriors who have done great work in this pandemic. And I also want to help people and save their life and do useful researches. Thank you.
Good morning, respected ma'am, teachers, and my all dear friends. Myself Poonam Salve, and now I am going to say few lines about my goals. My goal is I want to become an IS officer. The main reason behind to becoming an IS officer is whatever the poor people suffering from, whatever the problems are poor people suffering from, I want to help them. And these problems are created by such corrupt officers. So I want to just help the nation by eradicating the corrupts. And thank you. This is my few lines about my goals. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Aditya Sarunke from grade 10, and for this I like to share my views on my goals. So I want to go in the fields of the computers. Today we are living in the 20th century, and these days it is full of computers and technology. I want to go in this field from the very beginning. I found it challenging. I want to serve the society. Not only I have to serve the society, my country, but the whole world. I want to make the software or application that help the world. I also found it innovative. I know this is the biggest challenge, but I will put all my efforts in this. Thank you for hearing my words.